Alright, what's up you guys? So I got some new N-key wheels that I'm gonna try to restore. I'm gonna try to sand up all the edges and see what I can do with them. Probably repaint the faces. Has some JB weld on it or something. Maybe it's paint, but it's gonna be a lot of work and some rust, as you can see. So let's see if we can get these wheels looking good, right? Oh. Okay, so the good news is it's not rust, it's all yellow paint. This whole wheel has yellow paint all over it, but it's not rust. I'll save the sanding sounds for another time, but I started with 1200 grit and then I used 2000 just to get it ready and nice and smooth for polish. So here's a little update. I've got all this sanded down, but I'm keeping this painted, and I got the chrome sanded, wet sanded. This one's not polished yet with the chrome, but with a little bit of this gold paint and a little bit of tape, you can make it look like that. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. So we'll see what it looks like with the tape off of it soon. All right, so I finally got the wheels looking good, and it's actually too small to fit my 19mm socket with my normal 19mm lugs. So anyways, I had to first of all get new spacers, but I had to get new lug nuts that are all 17mm. And today I had to just grind out this pinch weld, which previously was perfect. But now it's looking like it's gonna have more clearance and it's gonna work. All right, good news, good news and bad news. So let me move that shit. Where I cut out the pinch weld, it is not rubbing. But where I felt right here, it was rubbing. So I just started hitting it with the sledgehammer a little bit more to just dent it in a little bit more. This video is probably ass, but we're getting close to fitting the new old N-key wheels. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll check back in soon. So these quarter panels in the rear are like triple thickness compared to the fenders in the front, and I have them folded over on top of themselves, so it's like 6 times the thickness. But it just takes a lot of moving and not over moving, hopefully, to get your fitment right and to set up any wheels you want, make it work. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope this inspires you to find some old wheels and make them look new again. All right, tag me if you find some old wheels. I have faith in all of y'all. It's not always an easy process, but stick it through till the end and you'll be hyped that you did. All right, subscribe for more, y'all.